It is almost 7:30. I'm here to give you a tour of our carefree chicken coop. Carefree chicken coop. One chicken, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chicken total. Okay, let's take a look at the coop. Here's the latch. Okay, chicken. This is the front of the chicken coop. I gotta stand back to see it. Okay, the front is about 9 feet tall, and the door is reused from an earlier home improvement project. Let me turn on the light. I got the receptacle and a light, electricity. And this is the metal roof. The metal roof is also reused from an earlier project from building a carport. This is a big window with a lot of opening air circulation. And the floor. The floor is made out of composite deck board. Very easy to clean and maintenance. No moistures. And this is the nesting boxes, 3 of them, with a canopy on top to give them privacy. This is our indoor water, and the indoor water is almost 6 gallon, and it's always clean inside the water. The water would last about a month for the chicken. We have 9 chicken, so this water would last about a month. And this is our feeder box, homemade feeder box. And this box holds exactly 40 pounds of feed. And it also lasts about 1 month. And next to the feeder box is a bowl of crushed eggshell, and the chicken would come to get it when they feel they need to have more calcium themselves. And this is the roosting area. I was hoping that they would roost in this ladder system. Unfortunately, they all crowd up on the upper ladder, so there's not really enough space for them. So I added a horizontal roosting bars in here. The horizontal roosting bar, this is where I catch the poops. And now 4 of the chicken would roost here, and the other 5 would roost there. And as you seen earlier, I have a Coop cam, so I can monitor the chicken, especially if I want to go on vacation. I could monitor them, listen to them, and even talk to them using the two-way intercom. And you also saw earlier that this is a automatic Coop door opener, and this is the controller, and I could program it to open the door at a certain time and close the door at a certain time, or I could do the morning and night light detection, so it would be dusk and dawn opening. But I like to use a timer because the light is not always the same at a certain time, and the chicken likes to come out and come back at a fixed time themselves. And this is my electrical system. I have electricity coming out from outside, and I reuse a PC battery transformer, and this would feed into a battery. This is a battery, and the battery is here to make sure even though the electricity has interruption, my equipment still have electricity, so that it does not reset the timer in here. Because if there's electricity interruption, it'll reset the timer in here, and the door will not be open and closed at the time that I want it. So the uninterrupted power supply is extremely important. And above that, I have a thermostatic fan control, so that in hot summer day, the fan would run to keep the coop nice and cool. And this is my thermostat control. Unfortunately, it's out of focus. It'll give me the temperature of the coop. So this is my electrical system. It's working quite well. And this is the door. And I also have a window, a big window in the door. And this window could be opened up all the way to get maximum ventilation. Or completely closed, like this. And when it's completely closed, I couldn't even open from the outside. So I have to come in inside to open it. And normally I keep it about halfway. So this is the setup of the coop, and the ladder system could be raised. So I could prop it up and do the maintenance underneath it without the ladder getting into the place. And the ladder could also be removed completely. These are the hinges on both sides that I could remove completely to do a thorough cleanup, including the egg box. The nesting box could be removed. I just open this and the whole box would come out. And right now the box is hanging on the wall with about 12 inches of space beneath it for the chicken to maneuver. And the feeder is propped up. The water is also propped up. And let's go outside. And there's a ramp for the chicken to come out. And I could also open this door completely. This door could be opened completely. And I have a remote control to open and close the door. Let me do a remote control closing. So now the door is closing, and there is a safety sensor in here. And in case the chicken wanted to come out, and as soon as the sensor detects any object, it will open up again. So that this is a very important safety feature to keep our chickens safe. And this is a outer door that was installed before the automatic door opener, and it has a pulley system that I could open and close from the balcony above. So hopefully this is a good tour for you. Have fun raising chicken. Bye.